Ba, 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 da, da. Steamy butthole hot. DYCES, some Germany boys, Cruel by Nature, came out in 2020. What? I am behind like a son bitch, but I was hit up by one of the members, and he was like, hey dude, check out the tune. We like the shit. Get us on the channel. I'm like, okay, sounds good. Proudly present the official video of Cruel by Nature, taken by the debut album Psychopath, available everywhere. DYCES Psychopath is the album. This is the tune Cruel by Nature, so let's get into it. I don't know anything about these guys. I just know they're from Germany, because, you know, that's Germany's in my backyard. I'm just kidding. No, it's not. All right, ready? DYCES Cruel by Nature. Thank y'all for coming back and watching my shiz. As always, you know, I appreciate that very, very much. DYCES Cruel by Nature official video. 3 minutes, 41 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Cruel by nature has set your throne, watching you die, lying on the ground, focusing on every detail, watching you die.
Oh,
This is your end, it was a pleasure.
I hear the double bass. Come on, Riri. What? Ba, 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 da. Wow. Been sleeping, man. Wow, we need a reamp, dude. Let's go. Where's the new stuff? Oh, that's bro, y'all have them bass drops. I hear them. That's sick. Keeping it riffy and heavy, slow. Oh, and then you just add the double bass, man. This goes a little bit faster. That is a transition from the slow to the fast. Ba-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. The backing guitar is sick with the breakdown. This is really good, man. I'm surprised I haven't heard this. Again, we need a reamp. We need some new tunes, man. ASAP. Kind of a little bit of black metal vibes, man. I like it. Sick. I love that. That's so catchy. So catchy. Wow, man. That was sick. DYCES Cruel by Nature official video. Yeah, dude. First of all, got to give a massive shout out to whoever your name is. I'm sorry, man. I'm terrible with names. But dude, thank you so much for letting me know about the song. The band gave you dudes a follow. You guys should definitely do the same. I like the I like the shit that you guys are bringing in the music, man. I mean, y'all. I mean, it was fast. It was slow. It was kind of spooky. Had some haunting elements to it, just in time for spooky season. Cruel by Nature definitely fits the name or the way the song is. The title of the song fits the music for sure. Sorry, I couldn't get that out. Sorry, fellas. But no, that was sick. Again, that's off the album Psychopath. We need some more tunes ASAP, man. Absolutely sick. And again, thank you all for the message. I appreciate it. That was DYCES Cruel by Nature official video. I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction as much as I did. I'll be putting links to their social media platforms as always. Comment, subscribe down below.